Hey everybody, it's CyberGeek here, and I just wanted to make another update video today in regards to the Pokemon Go update that is being released worldwide this afternoon. So in this video, I want to talk to you all about some new features that came to the game that we didn't even know about, alongside with the new upgrade for the anti-cheat system and the buddy system that was released for the game today. So I would first like to state that it has been officially announced by Niantic that all jailbroken or rooted devices are no longer supported by Pokemon Go, and that third party APKs are no longer authorized as well. Niantic made this statement earlier this afternoon, and anybody who attempts to update the app within a rooted device or a jailbroken device is going to encounter problems logging into the game correctly. So, as of right now, Niantic has pretty much given their entire fan base the big middle finger on any rooted devices or jailbroken devices, and they're losing a lot of people over this. There are thousands of users worldwide that are not going to be able to access the game just because they're on Android devices and they have root access. Android is an open developer platform that was designed to innovate and to create new developments for the platform itself. So a lot of people out there that are tech savvy have root access to their Android device. However, this is going to prevent them from playing Pokemon Go unless they can find a way to either mask it or essentially just not root their device and remove all root from their device, which is really frustrating. I did release a video earlier today in regards to that and some possible fixes if you do have Android devices and you are rooted. I will leave links in the description for those. However, just getting into this video right now, I want to talk about some of the new features that have been added. So I released a video showing you all the buddy feature and how that works, how you can select a buddy and you can pretty much change it anytime you want. However, you will lose your progress unless you have collected the candies for that Pokemon already. There are some new features that were added that people really weren't talking too much about. One of those features is the fact that if you add a lore module now to a Pokestop, that it's actually going to display your name on that Pokestop. As you can see in front of you, there's a character by the name of, yeah, some random name, but essentially every time you add a lure, that lure just disappeared, but every time you add a lure to a Pokestop now, it is going to display your name alongside of that lure in the Pokestop, which is kind of a really cool feature. I like that they're actually implementing that now. Another user also reported that there's an Easter egg that Niantic hinted towards in regards to having the nickname of your Pokemon displayed in the gym. This has not been confirmed yet. However, there have been screenshots of this after the update, and I'm really interested to look more into this, and I'll give you all some information if I find anything out. But there have been some screenshots that have been revealed of Pokemon inside of gyms alongside the Pokemon is the Pokemon's nickname for all of the Pokemon in the gym. So that'd be really interesting to see that if they actually incorporated that and how you have to go about actually getting that to happen. Testing it myself today on another account, it did not work for me. So this is unconfirmed, as I said before. However, um, alongside with all of these updates and these new features to the game, I'm really disappointed that they did not include the tracking system fixed. I have not seen anything about that in regards to a fully functional working tracking system that actually is effective, and that's a really big disappointment. Also, I would have liked to have seen the trading system. I know that that is going to be rolled out sometime soon, probably in October. It could be earlier than that. The coding is there. They have implemented a lot of the coding inside of the Pokemon Go servers, as well as upgraded their terms of service to include items for trading items and Pokemon. So I'm really excited to see that, and I was disappointed that that was not included with this update as well. However, they have made huge changes and evolutions to their anti-cheating system. So I released a video earlier this month letting everybody know that all cheating would be ceased by Niantic with this update. And Niantic has a pretty clear picture of what is going on here, and they're attacking right at the heart of all of the players that are cheating or GPS spoofing, etc. With this announcement that they are no longer supporting any rooted devices or jailbroken devices, that causes a lot of problems worldwide. Already, people are reporting issues not being able to log into their devices, and they've never even cheated. They haven't done anything wrong in the game, and it's kind of victimizing anybody in the world that is tech savvy that has a device that they have access to either root access or jailbroken. So to me, that's just unfair, Niantic. That's not something that you should be doing. The only insecurities that are showing here are your insecurities, Niantic. So I'm against that. I'm not morally for that. However, it has caused huge problems amongst the cheating community as well. And, I really don't support cheating in this game. I think you should get out and play legitly. I enjoy going outside and playing it legitly. And my videos, I do some updates just to relay information to the public. So I'm just giving feedback to people, and I do a lot of tests with this. And I have found out earlier today that for whatever reason, Nox and BlueStacks 100% will not work with Pokemon Go anymore. So I'm going to let you all know this right now. This is a heads up. If you use Nox or you use BlueStacks, do not even attempt to even create a new account because you're going to run into issues. Even if you can somehow bypass getting past the login errors required for root, etc., and you actually get into the game, your account will be flagged. It's like a 99.9% chance that every time you log into that account from your computer, it is going to be flagged. So my suggestion for you all is to not even attempt it. Don't even try to do it, and just go ahead and take it for what it is. The fact that it... Wait one second. I got a Spearow I got to catch. Sorry to interrupt the video for everybody. Got to catch them all right. This is a... I'm already experiencing problems. I mean, I don't know if you all could see that. It's laggy for me. But anyways, this is a test account. So I am going to be updating you all based on what happens to this account. This account that you're watching in front of you, and this crappy little Spearow that I just caught. I'm going to be doing some tests on this account. One of those tests is trying to see if my account is going to get flagged for termination just based off of APK usage. So I did install the Pokemon Go 0.37.0 APK with the account that you see in front of you. I am going to be playing this game legitly over the next month, just randomly playing it, and I'm going to see if I'm going to get banned just from using the APK, because it'd be really interesting to see if Niantic can determine that and how they would be able to tell, since it's the official Niantic APK release. But as always, thank you all for watching. I'll let you off here as I'm droning on, and any updates that I come across and anything else that I hear that's new, or any information that can help you all out, I'll go ahead and include those in future videos. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'll help you to the best of my knowledge. Just leave them down in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and have a great day.